Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Darren and today I'll be showing you how to make twists, like two-strand twist with nothing. So I'll be using my hair as an example. So I hope you guys stay tuned. In the meantime, you guys know the drill. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do it right now so you don't forget. Yeah, short story before we go on. I fell last week. Yeah, it was really funny. And so I was riding a scooter, right? And I was riding a scooter with a friend, and we decided to race together. So we are going on a very high speed, right? Okay, so it was actually a vast area, so it was safe. Like there were not really many people there, so it was like enough space to actually ride and everything. So he decided to attempt a stunt or to do something, and then he fell. Like he rolled over and he fell. And I also was going on a very high speed, and I actually forgot I was also on a scooter. And the first thing that came to my mind was, oh my god, what happened? Let me go help him and everything. And I forgot to apply my brakes, and I also fell. And the funny part is, like I sustained more injury than he did. It just had a little like scratch on his shoulder or something. And I had 1 year. Yeah, my and also my name. Yeah. But I guess it's part of life. Like I I don't have any regrets except for the fact that I'm trying to not let this scar at all. Anyway, so yeah, that's my story. Now let's get into making hair. If you watched one of my previous videos, I made this hair. I just like stretched it, and I was like I was gonna lose it the next day. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been more than a week, and this hair has been on my head. I've actually like I've been kind of busy, and I wasn't able to like do my hair, but I'm doing today, so so I'm just gonna loosen this, and I'll speed up the video later because it might take time and we have a long way to go. Oh, and finally, before we start, remember the clove spray that I made the clove spray video. I have been using it. It was around this place when I finished making the video, when I made this hair, and I've been using it like consistently, and I'm almost done with it. And I won't be using my normal spray bottle today with the normal leave-in conditioner and the rest. I'm just gonna be using this. So let's get right into it. So that's basically what I'm going to do for every single one of them till I like detangle it, and it's because it's kind of really dry, because there's been in this thread since more than a week, and it has like lost its moisture and everything. Even though I like still moisturize my roots every day, but that's how it is. So I have to revamp it, and so as not waste your time because it's still a long way to go. I'm just going to show you after I'm done with everything. So I'm almost done, and this is the last one. I just want to shave my hair in it. Okay, so look. The last time I checked, it wasn't even close to this at all, and it's never stretched. Like it's not like straightened or anything. And look, can you see? Like it's so guys, I finally be able to do that. So I'm going to start from the back, and let's go. Oh, okay. So I'm using this my almost exhausted air butter that I made. I would link the link. So yeah, I can actually do it. I'll be doing some soon, and I'm actually going to switch up things a little bit. So I'm waiting for this to finish. I'll probably finish it today. And as I said before, I'm using this clove spray, and I'm also using this flaxseed gel that I made recently. There it is. Yeah, I'll be using a little of it also. So let's get right into it. on to the last one, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'll be showing you a brief, detailed description of how I successfully twisted from the beginning. So basically, divide into two. Try to make sure it's as equal as you can, so you don't have to like be adding to it. So I'm adding, divide into two, and then take from the roots. Like you have to take it really firm, but not tight, firm actually. And you start twisting each one from the root. See, twist this one first, then turn it, twist this one also, like that. So like both of them are twisted in opposite directions. So you twist this one like this, and you twist this one like this, and then you twist it together. That will ensure that when you remove your hands, it's not gonna like close it way. So that's how you keep doing to the end. Like it always looks like I'm being really fast, but that's what I'm actually doing. So I twist this one first. See, it's like twisted. Come again and twist this one, and then I just cross them together like that. Once you get used to it, it's gonna be really easy for you. And yeah, so just keep twisting to the end like that. See, twist, 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 twist. Then you keep twisting and keep twisting. I used like scrunchie to for the ones I've done, because they always tend to shrink really easily. So even like before I sleep, I have to, you know, I have to tie them up, and I have to also be careful so they won't start flying. So I have to just be careful, not tying them up from the beginning, but just the ends. Yeah, and not too tight also. So basically, and when I'm done, I just add a little bit of the gel I made. I actually really use it. Yeah, and then I just like this so it doesn't roll out. There you have it. Just gonna remove this one. So this actually took me I started like past 11. I had to take a break around 2 o'clock because I had to go somewhere, and I continued around 6. And yeah, oh my gosh, my eye feels so light. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna keep this as long as possible. And yeah, I didn't make it too tiny as well as I didn't make it too big, because I know it has shrunk already, but it's definitely still gonna shrink more. But I mean, final touches, I'll be adding mousse. Basically, mousse is for strengthening the hair, so it doesn't matter even though you put too much, it's going to disappear. Yeah, and then I'll be using my hibiscus oil to oil my scalp. I'm actually really loving this. Ha! I've not done twist in more than a year, actually. Cause I'm always like, how will I learn this? I know. But yeah. So I'm not gonna start anytime soon. Probably for like a week I'll just keep it like this. I'm just kidding. Anyways, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking, and I hope you learned one or two things. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So bye.